So nandito tayo ngayon sa provincial capital ng Lanao del Sur at naririnig natin sa ngayon itong tuloy-tuloy na putukan, sporadic firefight dito sa malapit sa area. Ayan, so makikita niyo doon sa banda, ayan o, yung mga tao ngayon nagtatakbuhan, yung mga nasa taas nitong palengke yata ito. Maririnig nyo na habang habang tuloy-tuloy kanina yung press conference, narinig natin yan, sunod-sunod na sunod-sunod na putok ng mga barel. Ayan, naririnig natin ngayon. Napakalapit lang ito sa provincial capital ng Lanao del Sur at sa kasalukuyan ay tinitingnan ng ating mga otoridad kung saan banda yan. Rinig na rinig natin, ayan, sunod-sunod na putok na barel ang naririnig natin sa ngayon. So from time to time, naririnig natin yan at lalabas tayo ngayon sa gate ng provincial capital. At ayan nga, andito may mga ilang sibilyan nandito sa labas. Susubukan natin para makita lang natin kung ano nangyayari sa area. So itong ngayong mga tao na naandito sa may bandang taas, nagbababaan na sila to secure themselves.
Ilang malayo ba yan dito sa...
Hindi, malapit lang. Nakikita yung gulo ng mosque.
Oo, yun yung mosque na yun. Oo.
Yan yung pinakamalaking mosque dito. Dito sa mga...
Kaya yung nabubakar, yung nabubakar. Mas yung nabubakar.
Yan yung mosque ng Dawa Pablo.
So we're seeing now dark gray smoke now billowing from that area. Sir, anong lugar yan? Nakikita, sir?
Basak malatlat.
Basak Malatlat?
Yung basak malatlat.
Ano kayang lugar yun? Anong ano yun?
Ayun na may sunog sila.
Eh, lagi nga tayo, may bala yun. Bala man.
Bala yun. Naririnig natin ngayon yan. So medyo delikado na rin yung sitwasyon natin dito, no? So we need to leave the area.
Ando na rip ko lang eh. Ando na rip ko ilang kasi.
Ilang metro lamang. Ano man yung kasi sa area kung saan may sinunog. Dito rin yung baka. Ilang metro din yung layo mula sa ilan. Isang abandonadong lugar. Ito nga pinasok ko sa mga oras na ito.
Ito nga oh, makikita dito kung makikita yan.
Balay. Balay siya. Bahay. Well, residents here are telling us that that area is a community where houses were hit by probably mortar or an ordinance from the government side. Chris Magtag, doon kayo sa mga likod-likod, huwag kayong lumapit na. So you can still hear those
Akit ka rin doon.
oh, ito na lang. Ganun.
Sa kabila.
So ano pangalan ng barangay? So that's the area of Basak here in Marawi City. Okay. So they say that it's near the mosque, the area where the smoke is coming from.
Black.
So according to the military, Barangay Basak, Basak is an area where they are hunting down some of the members of the Maute group. That's based on the statement of the 1st Infantry Division earlier. So what we know so far is that there's an ongoing clearing operations in that area, and a few minutes ago, while the press conference was ongoing, we heard several gunshots in near the provincial capital of Lanao del Sur, and then eventually when we try to reach the area, we saw that smoke billowing from that Barangay Basak. So according to the military, Barangay Basak is one of the areas where some members of the Maute group are currently staying. Yesterday, the military said that they will not carry out airstrikes. But what we saw today are several choppers that are now carrying out airstrikes here in Marawi City. Because according to them, the movement of Maute members is very fluid, very spontaneous. They go everywhere they can. And that's why they need to act on such movement of the Maute group.
Oh, sige.
Again, the smoke that you're seeing is in the area of Barangay Basak here in Marawi City, and we're still finding out what actually took place in that area. Well, aside from Barangay Basak, the military is also carrying out their clearing operations in 2 other areas. So their operations are now focused in at least 3 areas here in Marawi City. They're after around 30 to 40 members of the Maute group. That's roughly a kilometer away from the provincial capital of Lanao del Sur. I'll show you now the provincial capital, which is just opposite the area of Barangay Basak. That's the provincial capital of Lanao del Sur. That's why from that area we can really hear the firefight in that area of Barangay Basak. Again, authorities are after around 30 to 40 members of the Maute group, now allegedly concentrated in at least 3 barangays here in Marawi City. One of them is Barangay Basak, where that smoke is coming from right now. Okay, you can still hear some firefight over there. So later on, we will try to find out what's happening there. Pero as far as the military is concerned, they are concentrated in at least their operations, their clearing operations are concentrated in at least 3 barangays here in Marawi City. You can hear those gunshots coming from that area.
Dito kami sa taas ng lumang building. Oh. Yung pagpasok natin sa gate across the street, yung lumang building. May pasokan sa stairway.
Earlier, we were informed that the power provider or the distributor of electricity here in Lanao del Sur, one of its substation, the Lanao del Sur Electric Cooperative, was taken over by some members of the Maute group. But right now, we were told by the military that those Maute members are have already left that facility. And